Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by adjusting core, switch settings to save battery when playing Tears of the Kingdom. Lower screen brightness to 30% to cut significant battery drain while playing. Turn on airplane mode to stop wireless scanning and extend battery life. Enable auto-suspend to sleep after 10 minutes of inactivity during gameplay. Close background apps and controllers that are not in use to prevent extra power draw. Use handheld-specific settings rather than docked settings for optimal handheld battery conservation. Next, change in-game options to reduce CPU and GPU work during play sessions. Set frame rate options to 30 FPS when menus or performance allow it. Disable HD rumble and motion controls to reduce controller and console power. Lower in-game brightness and particle effects to minimize GPU workload and thermal stress. Avoid extended cutscenes by skipping when possible to shorten active screen time. Close any voice chat or online features that require extra wireless usage. Finally, apply hardware choices and daily habits to extend battery between charges. Use a 20,000 mAh USB-C power bank for multiple extended play sessions away from an outlet. Play in cool environments under 30 degrees C to prevent thermal throttling and drain on the battery. Turn off Bluetooth audio and use wired headphones to save power and reduce wireless load. Remove unnecessary accessories and power-hungry micro SD adapters when not in use to lower idle consumption. Charge to 80% for regular use to prolong long-term battery health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.